Okay, Bernie, would you like to share how you found the workshop, experience the PSYCH-K Basic Workshop?
I found it really, really good. I've been kind of always suspected that I'm powerful, and I now think I found the tools to be able to just be able to heal myself and able to heal other people and help people get through difficult situations in life. I am so thrilled. It's so new, and it's almost hard to believe that it could be so simple. But so far I've actually come with one of the issues that I wanted to address was the arthritis in my hand, because I'm an artist and I use my hands a lot and I really need them, and it's a little bit scary, the idea that I might be gradually losing the power of my hands. And I haven't even addressed my hands yet, but I've addressed other issues in the past, and I can already make a fist.
Yay! Thank you.